Deep cleaning and SSD upgrade on Dell XPS 8,300 metric tons desktop PC. Thank you, Sir Stein, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Having your laptop deep cleaned at a trusted repair shop is highly recommended. Professional technicians can thoroughly clean the internal components, removing dust and debris that can cause overheating and reduce performance. This includes cleaning the fans, heat sinks, and vents, which helps maintain optimal cooling efficiency. Additionally, a deep clean can extend the lifespan of your laptop by preventing hardware issues caused by dust accumulation. Trusting professionals ensures that the cleaning is done safely and effectively, minimizing the risk of damage. The delicate components overall, a deep cleaning by a trusted repair shop enhances your laptop's performance and longevity. Upgrading to an SSD is a very good move, especially when done by a professional repair shop. SSDs are significantly faster than traditional HDDs, leading to quicker boot times, faster application loading, and overall improved system responsiveness. They are more reliable due to having no moving parts, which reduces the risk of mechanical failure. Additionally, SSDs consume less power, benefiting battery life in laptops, and operate silently compared to noisy HDDs. Having the upgrade performed by a professional ensures correct installation, proper data migration, and necessary system adjustments for optimal performance. Overall, an SSD upgrade provides a noticeable performance boost and enhances the reliability of your system, making it a worthwhile investment. Deep cleaning and SSD upgrade is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your deep cleaning and SSD upgrade. To follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.